Is your crypto sitting in the wrong digital wallet? Are you losing sleep wondering if your precious Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin is truly safe? In the wild west of cryptocurrency, choosing the right wallet is like picking your trusty steed. It can be the difference between a smooth ride to financial freedom and a bumpy, potentially disastrous journey. Today, we're putting a specific contender under the microscope, Newton. You've probably seen their name pop up, maybe even considered them. They promise a user-friendly experience, access to a variety of cryptocurrencies, and the peace of mind that comes with a regulated platform. But in a crowded marketplace teeming with options, is Newton truly the best crypto wallet for you? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? And it's not a simple yes or no answer. The best crypto wallet is subjective. It depends entirely on your individual needs, your level of technical expertise, the amount of crypto you hold, and what you intend to do with it. Are you a seasoned trader making frequent moves? Or are you a long-term holder, a hodler as they say, primarily focused on security? Perhaps you're a beginner just dipping your toes into the exciting world of digital assets. Before we dive deep into Newton, let's take a step back and understand the landscape of crypto wallets. Think of a crypto wallet not as a physical wallet holding cash, but more like a keychain that holds the private keys to your digital assets. These private keys are essential. They allow you to access and control your cryptocurrency on the blockchain. Crypto wallets come in various forms, each with its own set of trade-offs between security, convenience, and functionality. First, you have custodial wallets. These are often offered by cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or, indeed, Newton. With a custodial wallet, a third party holds your private keys for you. This is often the most user-friendly option, especially for beginners, as you don't have to worry about managing complex security measures or remembering long seed phrases. It's similar to keeping your money in a bank, convenient for transactions, but you're entrusting your assets to another entity. The security of your funds then relies heavily on the security measures implemented by the exchange. Then there are non-custodial wallets. These put you in complete control of your private keys. This offers a higher degree of security as you are the sole custodian of your assets. However, with great power comes great responsibility. If you lose your private keys or your seed phrase, a backup phrase of 12 to 24 words, you could permanently lose access to your crypto. Non-custodial wallets come in several forms. Software wallets, desktop and mobile. These are applications you install on your computer or smartphone. They offer a balance of security and convenience, allowing you to easily transact while maintaining control of your keys. Examples include Exodus, Electrum, and Trust Wallet. Hardware wallets. These are physical devices, often resembling USB drives, that store your private keys offline. They are considered the most secure option for one storing significant amounts of cryptocurrency as they are isolated from internet-connected devices, significantly reducing the risk of online attacks. Popular hardware wallets include Ledger and Trezor. 1. www.chiphigh.in www.chiphigh.in Paper wallets. These involve printing your public and private keys on a piece of paper. While offering offline storage, they are less convenient for frequent transactions and can be susceptible to physical damage or loss. Now that we have a better understanding of the different types of crypto wallets, let's turn our attention back to Newton. Newton is a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange that also provides its users with a built-in custodial wallet. This means that when you buy cryptocurrency on the Newton platform, it is automatically stored in a wallet where Newton holds the private keys. What are the potential advantages of using Newton as your crypto wallet? Ease of use. One of Newton's key selling points is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and accessible, even for those who are new to cryptocurrency. Buying, selling, and storing crypto within the platform is generally a straightforward process. This simplicity can be a major draw for beginners who might find the complexities of non-custodial wallets daunting. Regulation and compliance. As a regulated Canadian platform, Newton adheres to certain legal and financial standards. This can offer a degree of reassurance to users regarding the security and legitimacy of the platform. Regulatory oversight often includes measures to protect user funds and prevent illicit activities. Integration with trading. If your primary goal is to actively trade cryptocurrencies, using the built-in wallet of an exchange like Newton can be convenient. You can quickly move funds between your wallet and the trading platform to execute trades. Accessibility to multiple cryptocurrencies. Newton offers access to a range of popular cryptocurrencies, allowing you to store various digital assets within a single platform. This can simplify portfolio management compared to using multiple single-asset wallets. Customer support. As a custodial service, Newton provides customer support to assist users with any issues they may encounter, including accessing their wallets or recovering funds within their policies. This is a significant advantage over non-custodial wallets where you are solely responsible for your own security. However, it's crucial to also consider the potential drawbacks of using Newton as your primary crypto wallet. Custodial risk. The most significant risk of using any custodial wallet, including Newton's, is that you do not hold the private keys to your cryptocurrency. This means that you are entrusting the security of your assets to Newton. While Newton likely has robust security measures in place, they are still a target for hackers and could potentially be subject to regulatory issues or even bankruptcy. In such scenarios, the security and accessibility of your funds could be at risk. The principle in the crypto world is not your keys, not your coins. Limited control. With a custodial wallet, you have less direct control over your cryptocurrency. You are reliant on Newton's platform to access and manage your funds. This can mean potential limitations on certain transactions or features compared to a non-custodial wallet where you have full control. Privacy concerns. While regulated exchanges like Newton are required to adhere to KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, regulations, some users prefer the greater privacy offered by non-custodial wallets where less personal information is typically required. Transaction fees. While Newton aims to be competitive, transaction fees for buying and selling crypto on the platform can add up, especially for frequent traders. These fees might not be directly related to the wallet itself, but are an important consideration when using the platform for both storage and trading. Security breaches. Despite their best efforts, even well-established exchanges can be vulnerable to security breaches. History has shown us that hacks can occur, potentially leading to the loss of user funds. While Newton may have insurance or recovery mechanisms in place, there's always an inherent risk when your assets are held by a third party. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.